Good morning. Today we are going to discuss practical number 2 as a part of CBSE internal practical examination class 10th. So the program is write a Python program to display grades based on marks obtained by the student. For suppose if the marks belongs to 91 to 100, then the grade supposed to be displayed is A plus. If the marks are in the range 81 to 90, then you supposed to display A. 71 to 80 means B plus. 61 to 70 means B. 51 to 60 means grade C. If the student obtained less than 50 means display this message, study hard to obtain nice grades. This is the logics given to you. So you need to implement these logics using Python programming language. For this we are going to open ideally. Now we are going to take a new file and maximize this screen. So write the program name here. So generate grades based on marks obtained by the student. So this is the question. So first we need to take the marks from the student. In order to take the marks from the student, we need to write it here, input, enter, say marks. So we need to write like this. So sir, why you are using int here? So the input function will read anything in the text format. So the marks are numbers. So we need to convert that text into number. We are using int here. Sir, I want to take marks in a decimal. Then you supposed to write it here float. In the place of int, you supposed to write it here is the float. This line in, what is this line will do? It read data from the user. Now logic conditions. Implement logical conditions. So now, what is the first condition? If marks greater than 90 and again marks less than or equals to 100. Simple grade. What we are going to display the grade here? So grade A plus, comma marks. What is this? His marks. We need to write it here, marks. So that's all. So now we are going to second condition. What is the second condition? If the second condition is if marks greater than 80 and marks less than or equals to 90. Here grade is different. So we need to display grade. So what is the grade is A, comma marks. See here we need to grade A, comma marks. See what are the marks you want to print here? See marks. This is the second condition. So the third condition, what is the third condition? If marks greater than 70 and again marks less than or equals to 80. So we need to print here is grade B plus, comma marks also we needed to display. So what is the marks we are getting here? So the third next condition, if marks greater than 60 and again marks less than or equals to 70. So what we are going to write it here? Print. So what is this is called as grade C, comma marks. What is the marks we needed to display? Marks. Other than this, if we get very less marks, then we needed to display. We needed to display improve in the subject. Study hard. Here we will display instead of grade, say B grade. So then again we'll implement one more condition also. If say marks greater than 50 and marks less than or equals to 60. So we'll implement we'll write grade. What is this is C, comma marks. We will write it here, marks. So if the candidate get less than 50 marks, we will write it here one condition: study hard to obtain nice grades. So this is the logic of the program. We written this. So we'll run this program. We'll check it. This is about the grades. We'll written here. So it is asking the marks. So here we will give the 45. Check here, study hard to obtain the grades. So run it one more time. So it is asking marks now. 56 we are given. So it is the grade C and marks are 56. Run it one more time. See, give the 67. See B. Run it one more time. Check the conditions. All conditions are working or not. 78. Run it another time. Pressing F5. Give the ET6. So A. Give other time you run the program. See, check this 98. A plus. That means we are implemented all the conditions by writing this program. So you need to practice this program and understand the logics, how we written the logics. Then it will become very easy and we can easily implement in a practical examination.